Tangasapata.
Tangasapata.
Tanga means Swarna.
Swarna, oh my. But a very amazing human being. And when he was performing Homa, I was seeing that light and I was thinking that, really, Gurudev has invited gods and goddesses to perform the Havana. Such brilliant white light emitting out of his body. So I knew this person may merge into light very soon. I wouldn't call death because when good souls leave their body, it's merging into light. They're going for better.
Moksha.
Mukti, higher self. Where they don't have to be born again.
Oh.
They're free from this world. Very strict person, very disciplined person, whose energy is that of somebody who has worked very hard in life to be what he is. And he expects only the best. He doesn't like anything substandard. That kind of a person. Only the best, only the perfect. Right? Everything 100%. If there is even 99%, he's saying throw it away. Do it again. Right?
Yes.
So when there is so much of discipline, all your chakras are so balanced that when the chakras rotate, only if one chakra rotates at 33 rounds per minute, you become an Amitabh Bachchan or you become a Sachin Tendulkar. Do you know that?
Oh.
33 are. Now, the Tirthankaras had all the 7 chakras rotating at 33 rounds per minute. That's why they can become a Tirthankara.
Oh.
The rotation of chakra has got some fixed speed. When you are doing that, you are in Sushamna state along with Ida Pita. See, when you're breathing, your prana is moving from left to right. But with that, if the prana is in your kundalini, in the Sushamna state, you are just breathing the air, but the prana is preserved here. This is how the different are. Because the 33 RMP are 2 rounds per minute happening at the chakras. Now, if anybody is an Amitabh or a Sachin Tendulkar, they have at least one chakra rotating at 33 rounds per minute to get that kind of fame, adulation and money.
Oh.
Okay? But this is one chakra. But if you have any 2 chakras happening, you go for mukti. You don't have to become an Amitabh or a Shah Rukh or a Salman or a Sachin. You will not desire it. You will go beyond it. So definitely if he has got that white orb around his body, he must be having something that 2 of his chakras must be rotating. Because I didn't get a chance to measure his aura. At that time we never used to get aura cameras. But whatever I could see with my eyes, amazing. You are lucky to be his son, trained by him. Because the Shakti path that you get from a guru, he is a father afterwards, he is a guru first. The Shakti path that you receive is his atoms in your body for life, which can never go till you die, and thereafter. Because a Shakti path happens, when a Shakti path happens, the vibrations of the soul changes, not just the body.
Oh.
The frequency of the soul changes. That's why if you have taken any Shakti path in your previous births, you are born again in a very, very upper class family. Less problems in life. So when you have people who are under you, your students, you give them Shakti path. You are actually raising their frequencies not for this birth, but for the next births. It is such an important aspect. So the Guru-Shishya relationship is one of the best relationships in the world.
எனக்கு என்னன்னு சொல்றதில்லை. அவர் அந்த மாதிரி முக்தி அடைஞ்ச உடனேவே நமக்கு அப்போலேருந்து அதுக்கு முன்னாடி குருநாதர் தான் சொல்லுவோம். அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த குருநாதனுங்கிற ஸ்மரணை தான் வந்து தவிர அப்பாங்கிற அது வரல. நெக்ஸ்ட் தான் இல்லை எனக்கு இப்போ இதெல்லாம் தெரிஞ்ச பிறகு இப்போ அவர் குருநாதர்னு கொண்டாடுறது காட்டியும் இதெல்லாம் நான் அப்படியே தன்னாலே வந்ததுங்கிறத சொல்லுவேன். ஆக்சுவலாக இவங்க சொல்கிறத தான் நம்ம ஃபாலோ பண்ணிகிட்டு இருக்கோம். பட் எப்படிங்கிறது நமக்கு புரியல.
Must have been more doing dhyana of the linga, not of Shankara. Because his energy was like the pinda. Pinky, his energy is like that. So one who is focused
அவர்
on the
அதிகமாக
linga,
தியானம்
not
லிங்கத்தை
Shankara,
பண்ணுவாரா, பிம்பத்தை பண்ண மாட்டார், லிங்கத்தை தான் அதிகமாக பண்ணிட்டு சொல்லுவாங்க.
not
Arupa,
Shankara.
Arupa, Manasa Puja.
Manas. So when the dhyana is on that, your energy is different. Like your energy is very straight. You don't have a cylindrical energy. It is very straight. So it is very masculine. You have all your life prayed to God, which is just a very manly form of God. Which God? Shiva. But you have worshipped man, the warrior form of Shiva. So your energy is very strong.
ஒரு
Bhairava,
சோல்ஜர் டைப்
warrior.
பைரவர், அதாவது உக்ரமான ஒரு ரூபத்தை தான் நீங்கள் ஆராதனை பண்ணியிருக்கீங்க. அதனால உங்களுடைய ரூபத்தில் வந்து இந்த ரேஸ் வந்து ஸ்ட்ரைட்டாக இருக்கு.
Very strict. Man. Last time we took Tirupati Balaji, his aura, circular, cylindrical. Shakti worshipper. Hard from outside, soft from inside. Each aura is different. It talks about your personality, your deity, your devotion.
But performing time will change the arrow.
Yes, it changes because normally he is a very soft person. But when he is performing, when he is doing his mudras, I don't get a chance to come on stage to measure. Last time I used to go very often. This time your pandits are sitting in such a way I don't want to touch them because they are performing Homa. Otherwise I would like to come and shoot and see. I love to do research. Why this person is like that? Because when you do research and you leave some documents behind, even after you die, somebody else who wants to do research, this is such a big encyclopedia.
Very useful.
Knowledge never dies. You die, knowledge never dies. So create something which is left behind even if you die. And everything has a value, only Saraswati is invaluable.
Everything, every time.
Because
Every
even
time.
if you give everything to it, it is less. Isn't it? Knowledge is supreme.
Very useful. Not that.
And if you can give knowledge, you are the king. If you can give money, everybody can. Because when you are giving money, you make the other person feel poor. It is giving ahankara. But when you give knowledge, you are giving reverence and respect you receive from the other person. You don't make that person feel small. The beauty lies in that.
Yes, correct.
You are raising that person's frequency. Right? Nice meeting you. Dhanyavad. Tomorrow we may need you inside the house to give us a little bite. And if you give me some chance, I would love to shift you on the stage before Gurudev comes. Because once Gurudev comes, I'll not come on the stage. When you come a little early, if I can, right? Thank you so much.